Hello, you trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. Welcome into the program. How are y'all? Sweet Bobby's here, and life is good, good, good. Hey, by the way, I'm going to ask y'all's help to help me spread the word on my children's book that will be forthcoming. And what the plan is to get 300 copies into the hands of schools, libraries, public libraries, and underprivileged children that will give them hopefully a shot at learning how to save their money and to spend responsibly and to experience the joy of giving. So we're going to have a bunch of giveaways and a lot of things that are going to be kind of fun. So I'm looking forward to that. We're going to give away free mentorships. We're going to give away Muscadine Mafia lifetime memberships. We're going to give away all kind of things. So it's if you'll help me to get those books out to people, I'm going to throw in some really cool things to do that. So we'll have all kind of information about that coming up later. But the book is coming along good. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a life changer for a lot of kids and for their parents, especially. And we're going to connect with the parents and kind of show them how to save money as well and how to invest money. And they're not going to be doing what we're doing. Okay, what you and I do, we're walking on the edge. We're talking about people that need to put money into the S&P 500 and park it. You know, they're in their 20s and 30s, and they need to save at least 10% of their income and do that. So that's the kind of things that we're going to talk about. So saving, responsible spending, and investments for those parents. So I think it's going to be really, really good, and it'll give those kids a leg up. And, you know, if we can change the life of one child so that they don't have to live in abject poverty like their parents, because the number one thing that predicts your financial future is your parents. What was your parents' finances like? And if your parents had good finances, the overwhelming chance is that you're going to have good, luck with money. If your parents were horrible with money and struggled, chances are you're going to struggle unless you make a change. So that's what we're trying to do, is we're trying to reach the kids. We're trying to reach their parents, kids, and I'm also working on a project for teenagers as well. So it'll be kind of fun. So anyway, welcome in, y'all. Hope you're doing good. Let's look at this market. It's crazy. I thought the market was down today last time I checked, and now it's up 0.5%. The alligator is eating. Look at there. Wow. The bull market continues, and we have above average participation as well, even though this is strange. Look at this. This rarely happens. Look at the AD and then look at the market. That is what we call, what do we call that? What's the word? Not diversion.
Diversion?
Diversion. Yeah, diversion. Right. That's it. We are going down here. Now, what I would expect to happen is that the market will do this, okay? So we'll see if that plays out, because this is really unusual to see that. And that's a classic example. Price normally follows the AD. Here it is not. I expect that this will correct itself in the very near future. So if you were going to, trade short term, you want to trade some futures, I would go short here. So anyway, don't do it. You'll probably lose lots of money and the market continue to go up, but we'll see if that works. Now, let's look at the big green monster, and see what is going on over here. Big green monster, ES. Let's see, where is my big green monster? Let the monster eat, baby. Oh my gosh. Isn't it amazing? We almost hit the 45, 82 level. Now, this would tell me that this is probably going to serve as a little bit of resistance. We may pop through it, but I got a feeling, if I were a betting man, which I am, I got a feeling we're going to test some of these areas in the near future, but we shall see. Now, let's see if volume is participating in the up move. So here we go. We see that the market is up, right? And we see that volume is down, which means what? We should see a little bit of a pullback. That's what we're saying. Volume down, market up, means that this up move is losing a little bit of its steam, even though being up 0.5%, you wouldn't think it. All right, so let's see how our actual portfolio is doing. Go over here, and we are at 39,235. How does Daddy do it? 39,235. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. All right, so let's look at here, see what's going on. Oh, what's wrong? Log me in, for God's sake. Here we go. All right, so we're in. So we're at 8247. 8247. So everything's staying kind of like it's supposed to be. 8247. Yep. And VIX, I guess, is still around 13 or so. That's amazing. Our buying power went down by $4,000. Was that right? Or is that just a mistake? Let's see. Yeah, probably a mistake. 11,160. 11,160. This is the account I'm trying to use 25 or 30 or 50% of my buying power, and I just can't get enough trades on. But let's just keep putting them on, you know, too. So let's go and trade some. Let's look at my position. So I've got a couple of hedges on, and I've got all my 112s and 121s on. So let's trade these. So we know we're going to have to go out to 94 days. We'll go to the 9% probability of being in the money, where we can get $20 or more. So we'll try that. We'll try 2 contracts because it's a 1-2-1. And swing, batter, 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 batter. I said swing, batter, batter, batter. It just makes me mad when I don't get filled. All right, let's make the trade less advantageous for us and see if we'll get filled there. And boom, we are in. So we're in the 94 days, if that's right. Sometimes the days don't think. So we need at least what? 47 days in the put debit spread. So let's go here. And let's do a 300-point wide. We will start at the 9% probability of being in the money, which is the 41.75. Go down to 38.75. Yep. Here we go. Uh-oh. Okay, I got 2 there, so that's fine. I can do that. I can sell 1 there. All right, so that would be $9. Let's bump that up to 9 1/4. And in, baby. Yeah. Daddy is in. Daddy is in the building. All right, so let's go look at the next account. And that would be the IRA. And here we go. Monitor and see if this little counts up a little bit. It should be 87,759. 87,772. 87,782. Let's go with that. 87,782. 87,782. That sounds good. 87. Oh yeah, 87,782. And fire it up, Rico. It's my daddy's birthday. God rest his soul. He passed away in 2015. Yeah, 2015. All right, so 87,782. We made $119. If you were looking at our theta, we should have made $58. So we are doing good because we have Delta participating in with our theta to give us the profit. Everybody see how that works? The Delta is working with the theta to give us the profit. So let's see what our little things are here. So we are at 90.63. 90.63. Looking good. 90.63. Okay. Looks like we can't get up anymore, can we? So it looks like we're going to have to put a trade on here too. So we're at 18,498. 18,498. And if I'm going too fast for you, slow it down a little bit. And if you'll watch every day, y'all will get this for long. So look at this, y'all. We're green, and we're blue. Let us put on a trade. So first of all, I need to see if there's anything that needs to be closed. So let's go over the trade tab, and we got all these trades that need to be closed. So let's take our put credit spread. We've got a 36.40, 35.40 that we put on for 485. Let's see what we can close it for. 36.40, 35.40. Let's close it. 36.40, 35.40. Let's find it. Put credit spread. Oh, it's T-bill Tuesday too, isn't it? All right, put credit spreads. 36.40, 35.40. There it is. So let's create a clears and order for 25 cents, y'all. Probably won't close at that. Let's see. Probably got to go up to 30. That's okay. And you can work these orders too, if you want to. Put it in for that 30 and then let it fly. Or 25 and let it fly. You can get out for 30. That ought to get me out. There we go. We're out for 30. Let's put that in and claim our profits. Got out at 30 cents. So we made a profit of, let's see, 7, 18, 23. I'll dedicate that trade to my daddy. So we made 92% on it, $220.22.
Well, what do you say we get thrown out of an Applebee's?
We will for making $222 because I can feed my family 2 times at Applebee's for that money. So that's good. All right, so now let's put on another trade and get us a little theta going. So we'll go to trade tab. We'll go to the macros. Yesterday we did 2 contracts. I think I'll do it today too. Let's go to 94 days. And let's go to the 9% probability of being in the money. And that is around in here, right? 40.75. So let's sell 2 of them. Let's see if we can get 22.75. So wanka, we are in. So 94 days, we got to have at least 47 days in our put debit spread. So we got a 44, that's not enough. Let's go to 59. And let's go to the 9% probability of being in the money. I love that little trade hack. Saves me so much time finding these trades. So we'll go to the 42.30. Let's go to the 42.25. 42.25. What is that going to be? 39.40, 41, 42, 39.25, right? So if I buy this and I go to 39.25, 300 wide. For 950, we'll go up to 975. And swing batter. Come on, feel me. Feel me, Daggett. Feel me.
Dang it, Bobby.
Feel me. Here we go. Get in there. That all feel. Okay, so we filled at $10. So our deal is done. I was going to do a 2-lotter though, wasn't I? Well, that's fine. That's fine. We'll just do 1. All right, let's go to, well, I guess that's it for this session. So that's it. Remember, why don't I do our little thing that we do every so often? What is the program? You say, Bobby, what is it that we do? Did the whole trade get open for a credit? 5 delta for the naked put seems a little low, but still certainly possible to get a credit for the overall trade. Are y'all talking about my trade? Oh, y'all are typing all kind of stuff. All right, we'll deal with all that in after stuff, okay? So remember, let's go through a quick little synopsis of what we do. Our 5-step program. Some people are in 12-step programs. I probably need to be in a 12-step program myself, but we are in a 5-step program, and the 5 steppies go like this. Number 1, sell premium. Okay, we are premium sellers. We sell options, we collect premium. Number 2 thing that we do is a high probability of success. Y'all, the trade that we put on has a 90% plus probability of success. I like those odds. So you're telling me there's a chance. The 3rd thing that we do is allow theta to decay. What we sell, we allow to decay. What we sell for $1, we want it to decay down to like a quarter before we close it. Okay, we allow time. This is the passage of time. This is where you and I sit on our hands and do nothing. 4th thing that we do is we manage chaos. So we don't have any chaos going on right now, so it's relatively easy. And then the 5th thing that we do is rinse and repeat. This is our 5-step program. Questions, comments? All right. Wonderful day, y'all. I will see y'all tomorrow.